Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 25, 1977. Star Wars premieres in theaters. On May 25, 1977, the very first Star Wars movie was released in theaters. Directed by George Lucas, it became a massive hit and changed the world of cinema forever. Audiences were amazed by the space battles, strange creatures, and the story of Luke Skywalker. The movie launched a global franchise that includes films, TV shows, books, and toys. It made science fiction popular in a whole new way. To this day, Star Wars remains a cultural phenomenon. 1787, U.S. Constitutional Convention begins. On May 25, 1787, delegates from the American states gathered in Philadelphia to begin writing the U.S. Constitution. This meeting is known as the Constitutional Convention. It was held at Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence had also been signed. The leaders wanted to create a stronger government after problems with the Articles of Confederation. George Washington was chosen to lead the convention. This event laid the foundation for American democracy. 1961. JFK announces moon goal. On May 25, 1961, U.S. President John F. Kennedy made a bold promise to the American people. He said that the United States would send a man to the moon and bring him back safely before the end of the decade. This famous speech was delivered to Congress and inspired the Apollo space program. At the time, it seemed like a huge challenge, but just 8 years later, in 1969, Neil Armstrong walked on the moon. JFK's speech helped launch the space age. 1935, Babe Ruth hits his last home runs. Baseball legend Babe Ruth hit the final home runs of his career on May 25, 1935. Playing for the Boston Braves, he amazed fans by hitting 3 home runs in one game against the Pittsburgh Pirates. One of them traveled over 500 feet, an incredible feat. These would be his 712th, 713th, and 714th home runs. Just days later, Ruth retired from the sport. His record stood for decades and helped make him a baseball icon. 2001. Erik Weihenmayer climbs Mount Everest. On May 25, 2001, Erik Weihenmayer made history by becoming the first blind person to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Climbing the world's tallest mountain is extremely dangerous, even for sighted climbers. Erik proved that disabilities do not define what a person can achieve. His success inspired many people around the world. He later went on to climb the highest peaks on all 7 continents. Erik is a true symbol of courage and determination. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.